guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I have something really fun and interesting for you guys. Now I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys know that the tassels and ombre tassels are super trending these days, so I thought of picking out some of these kind of jewelry and styling it for you guys. Now before moving on to style these pieces for you, I wanted to show these two specific earrings which are doing rounds like no tomorrow. Everybody is sporting this. I've seen so many celebrities wearing these kind of jewelry. From Jennifer Lopez to Selena, Katy Perry, Priyanka Chopra, I saw all of them wearing and sporting these jewelry. Now the best part about this is that it uplifts your outfit in no second. I mean, if you're just wearing plain white or a black, a splash of color right here would do justice to your outfit. Even when you want to contrast two different colors, I'm going to show that to you as well. Like you wear a bright red with a brown, or you can sport blues with bright yellows. They look so amazing. Or you could be color coordinated as well. Wear blues with blues, or wear a light blue with this, because this is ombre, so you can go with shades of blue. The reason why I like these pieces is because that A, it's very light. I mean, I am someone who actually picks out jewelry which is light in weight and not heavy, because it makes me feel very uncomfortable. Two, it actually catches the eye and you can spot it at a distance, and it looks so different and so funky, I can't even tell you. So let's move on to show you all the pieces that I have one by one. So let's start with neck pieces first. I have these two right here. This one is like an ombre effect tassel, and this one is a red tassel. Now I specifically chose two with two different chain sizes so that you could spot the difference and you'd know how to style these. So let's style this one first. So the first piece here would be a little closer to your neck because it has a smaller chain, but you could adjust this though if you want it closer to your neck. You can adjust the chain right like this, or if you want it hanging loosely, then this is how you can place it. I have styled this red tassel neck piece with a nude suede dress, and it looks really amazing because the red stands out on the nude. You could also wear this with whites or blacks. It'll look really nice with that too. Okay, so the next one here is with a longer chain, ombre tassels, and a bit of gold detailing right here, which makes this piece stand out even more. Because of the long chain, it's going to fall beautifully on your neckline, and I think this is so adorable just to wear out on a day out with your friends, or just a casual lunch, or if you're heading out for shop. You could also tie up your hair like so if you want the entire focus to be on your neck piece. Alright, moving on. So for those of you who do not like to wear a lot of jewelry, or do not like heavy earrings or big chunky tassel neck pieces, then I have a very subtle piece for you. I got this finger ring which has three neutral shades of pom-pom in it. It looks so stunning yet so delicate, and it's going to immediately catch the eye. Because of three different shades, you can style it with so many different outfits, and this is how it looks like. That I have is almost everywhere. I remember seeing a post of Jennifer Lopez where she was wearing this very beautiful yellow flowy gown, and she had her hair tied, and the only thing that she was wearing was these yellow Crispin ball earrings. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to style it differently. I'm going to pair this bright yellow dress with these royal blue earrings just to add a little bit of color and contrast. The best part about these earrings are they're so lightweight, I don't even feel that I'm wearing a earpiece. And for this look, you could either leave your hair open, but for the two colors to stand out, I'd suggest that you tie up your hair. So this is how it looks after tying the hair. I love how the blue stands out with the bright yellow. Alright, so the next one that I have here has pink tassels, a bit of pearl, black, white and gold detailing, which makes it stand out so much. So for this I chose an off-shoulder black top. You could go for white or even pink. It'll look really pretty with both of them. So to make these pieces stand out, you could either put all of your hair behind your ear like so that they just pop out, or the next thing that you could do is put your hair on one side and let these steal the show. So for the last two pieces, I chose to wear a plain white shirt because we wear this quite often, office, college, or if you're going out to shop, or even for dinners or lunches. But now I'm going to show you how you can transform this or lift this entire look up with just one piece. All you have to do is add a bit of color and it will change the entire look of your outfit. Now because this is ombre, it's very subtle, it's not too loud or in your face. It looks extremely subtle for days when you're out in office or in college, or even if you're out shopping. Now if you're not someone who likes a bright pop of color to your outfit, then you could surely add these peachy nude bead tassel earrings. They look so adorable and delicate. Let me just show you guys. This is how it looks after wearing. It's completely subtle and looks very delicate when you wear it. It'll also look extremely pretty on an off-shoulder dress or even an off-shoulder maxi dress. These are all the pieces that I wanted to share with you guys and also help you guys to style them. And if you guys are wondering where I picked these from, I picked up all of these jewelry from the Bling Bag boutique. Now if you don't know what Bling Bag is a monthly jewelry subscription box. So if you subscribe to them, every month you're gonna get a cute little bag with 3 to 4 jewelry pieces. And the best part is that they curate jewelry according to your style statement. So it's not like one bag for all. You would have different pieces in your jewelry box according to your style. And the August subscription box, which is called the Rainbow Runway, will come with all of these tassel and crispin ball earrings. And if you guys want to check out more stuff, then you can always go to their boutique and pick out whatever you like. Moving on to the giveaway now, because I love these pieces so much, I want you guys to have it too. 2 of you lucky winners can win a few of these pieces from my site. So all you have to do is follow the rules mentioned in the description box and participate. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I tried something different. Let me know if you like the change. And if you like it, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's the red button right there. And I'm gonna see you super soon. Bye guys!